everyone. We are here with Lady and Kobe with
back.
my brand new water gun I got yesterday.
And someone is dripping.
And Savage Duck is the family.
Yep, it's a Savage Duck. I'm Savage Duck.
Anyways, as you can see, this water gun is full of water.
And it's dripping.
Anyways, the point of this episode is to
Mess around with the dogs.
Nope, is to try and get them to behave.
Yep.
So like whenever Lady jumps on the counter, she gets scolded. Whenever Ace jumps on the table, he gets
I know for
scolded.
some reason it's like squirting from here, like dripping.
Yeah, it might be there. Cause look.
Yeah, that could be.
Cause I filled it up too full. Anyway, so we're gonna pay attention to dogs closely. You want to turn the light switch on from upstairs? It's up there.
Yep.
By stairs. It's the one on the right, I believe. Yep. Thanks. Anyways. As for now, Ace, sit. Good dog. Oh, Lady, sit. Good puppy. That's fine. Now we're just gonna get something to eat.
And
maybe.
The dogs that looks like Lady and them are actually standing right by the fridge because like they're actually trying to
Take our food again.
Yep. After they do, oh don't worry, I have the gun.
Yep.
What's my other?
Would you like baked potato? Toby? A baked potato?
Oh yeah, that's a pretty good idea.
Let's see, let's go with, that one's too big. Too small. Just right. Guess this one do. How many? 1 or 2?
No, I still get 2.
Alright, and I'll go 2. And then we're gonna use a small one for you. Cause this one's yours. Or would you like this one instead?
Ooh, that one looks really good.
Alright. Here's one of yours.
Hey,
It's alright. We're washing them first anyway. She is just bugging out. Look what I have. She is like bugging out, guys.
I don't have dogs that are literally following you.
Ouch. Okay, Kobe. Here is the plate we're gonna be using. So set them on it first. Hold the camera.
Alright, I guess that's not really good on the camera.
And now here's a little lesson of how to make baked potatoes. First, you want to soak them or wet them in water. Like so.
I'm gonna come over and show it. Okay, I'm gonna show her.
Then, once that is all done, and I will show you what we're gonna do next. Once it's all done, you want to grab a fork from wherever you keep your silverware. First, it's in this drawer here.
Or your dishwasher, if you have one.
And then you poke holes in it.
Hey, actually, do you mind me, leaving a shout out for my YouTube channel?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so you guys can actually check out my YouTube channel. I actually make little, plush, I guess little, little videos,
Of the Pepsi show?
Yes, I also call the Pepsi show. But I'm also making, 2 new shows. Obviously, I made for first episode for the Childish Mouse. And obviously, Puffy Faces might be, released on my, my new channel called Splat, which of course I'm going to be doing in the summer, which I'll let you guys know what it is,
in our next video together.
Yep.
And as you guys know, Kobe is in many of the videos.
Yes, cause I actually play the roles of the characters, like
But he is in some of my videos.
Yes, cause I actually
But he is in many of his, any of his videos because he plays the characters.
like okay, do you mean like okay, like so
like
what?
Pepsi.
Okay, so what? Hey, Swirl, what are you doing? Okay, and okay, so what voice impression do you want me to do of one of my Pepsi Show characters?
Small. Let's go with.
Alright, it is the Anime Dimension Portal!
Anyway, guys, next what you want to do is put on from a total of 7 minutes to 8 minutes.
Alright, and what about Chef Red? Do you want me to do Chef Red's voice? Cause
Nah.
let's just one more character's
fine.
voice.
After you poke holes in them with a fork, you want to put on for 8 minutes. Like so. Like cook for 8 minutes. And wait till they get all soft enough to cut through them straight through without having a hard time. Once they get to that point, depending on how soft they are, you want to leave them in for a minute or 2 more. If they're good to go, then don't put them in for any more minutes. Make sure they're not rock hard or not enough soft or not soft enough. Make sure they're just right before taking them out and cutting them, because if they're not just right, when you put them back in after cutting them, it's gonna be much harder for them to cook right. So that's just a little bit of a tip.
Alright, so I'm gonna quickly do the impression of Chef Red, and then we're gonna cut ahead to when these are done. Welcome to Silver Blaze Bakery. Oh no, Molly water sauce.
Also, about halfway through, you want to flip them.
Yep. So, should we just cut ahead to when they're fully done?
Yeah. No. Cut. Pause it for now.
All right. We'll be right back when it gets to halfway.
And now on our best puppy ever show that we're cooking the baked potatoes, they have cooked about halfway.
So now
we're gonna open it up, check them first. See how that one's not really soft on that side, but probably, yeah, it's more soft on that side. And then what we're gonna do is flip each of them. No, I can't really do it from there. And that one's really soft on that side. That one's not so much. And then we're gonna put it back in.
And we will be right back.
Yep. Here we are at 55 or 50 some seconds left. We are now going to check the baked potatoes. See how far they've come. Okay. Now. Okay. Alright. And now we're gonna put them in for the rest of the time. And then maybe add another minute for some of them.
So we will be
back after this message. Oh, after this short break. Alright guys, so here we're gonna put in for 1 more minute. And in the meantime, while it is cooking, let me update you on Lady here. She has been awesome lately. For example, sit.
No, she wants to duck.
Sit. She won't do it for me. Base, well, see. Sit. Good puppy. Lay down. Lady, lay down. She won't lay down now. Lay down. You know, guys, forget about that. Forget I even said that. In the meantime, we'll be back after a short seconds, so whatever.
11 seconds. Oh shoot! I forgot. It's still recording.
And it is done. So you can see this one's pretty good. So is this one. This one's definitely done. Oh yeah, that one's done. And that one. Now what we do is get a butter knife like this one. And then we do this to each and every one of them. Okay, here's yours one. This one may not be done all the way, so oh well. Give me butter.
Alright. Here's the butter. Yes, you're gonna need butter for this.
Yep.
Here you go. Here's the butter.
How much butter? Like that much? On each one? Or on the big one?
Yes.
Okay. Because I was putting that much anyways. And about how much on the small one?
Yeah, that seems pretty good.
Yeah, I usually put a lot of butter on them. Mainly because I end up needing a lot. Anyway, guys, this is how you make baked potatoes. Now remember, this is a one-time thing. I may do another cooking lesson on here.
We could do cooking with Michaela.
No.
Yes.
It is cooking with Kobe and Lady. But for most part.
Wait, but Lady isn't cooking.
No, but she's the main character in the show. But for most part, this is just our lunch.
But what if we make a new show called Cooking with Michaela and Kobe?
No.
Thank you.
Anyways, this is it for best puppy ever, named Lady. Adios, everyone.